Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the gesture overlay and why it appears. This saves time. Locate the specific app or system setting producing the gesture and note recent installs or permission changes. Once done, temporarily disable other input aids like accessibility services to avoid interference. Make a quick backup of settings or take screenshots so you can restore if needed. Now open the settings area where gestures are managed or the app that registered the gesture and prepare to change permissions or remove the trigger. You will now remove the gesture by targeting its source. Start in Settings, Apps or Gestures, locate the app and revoke permissions like Draw over other apps or Accessibility access because those enable persistent gestures. If the gesture is system level, toggle off the specific gesture option. Once permissions are revoked, force stop the app or clear its cache and data if needed. If the gesture persists, uninstall the app or disable the system module. This removes the registration that draws over the screen. You finish by verifying the gesture is gone and restoring any required features. Reboot your device, then test touch and swipe areas to confirm removal. If something you still need was disabled, re-enable it carefully and test again. If the gesture persists, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. Uninstall any suspects found there. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. Troubleshooting tip: use safe mode first to avoid unnecessary resets and identify the offending app.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.